Reds 6 and 7 now rolling upside down. Reds 8 and 9 with no trickery are going to match them directly underneath. This is Mirror. The inside pilots roll to the outside as they fly the rollbacks. Once again, 6 and 7 upside down.
8 and 9.
This is the corkscrew. Swing out in a pendulum. The Red Arrows formation see the odd-numbered pilots on the left and the even-numbered pilots on the right. But in this shape it's different. Reds 3 and 5 are on the right and 2 and 4 are on the left. But we want to get back to our usual sides, so we do it like this. This is the slalom. The slalom finishes over to the front left. Now to roll around synchro. Get ready with your cameras for the Jippo break.